Good morning, everyone. Hope you're enjoying this lovely Thursday morning. Thank you for stopping by. Make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button, and leave a comment if you would like me to do a DIY project. Today, we will be doing a pressure cooker red velvet cake. Easy, simple, and I can show you a way to minimize the moisture so that it's not all soggy. So we're gonna get started. We're gonna be using Dunkin's, the red velvet. In the recipe, it says 3 large eggs, 1 cup of water, and 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. I'm not gonna use vegetable oil. Just my personal opinion. Lord Jesus, don't get this box open up for me. Okay, there you go. Lord Jesus, I was about to say, I thought I needed more veggies. I thought little old Brittany, little old me was gonna get weak or something, Jesus. Okay, cake mix. I am going to mix up the liquids first. One cup of water. We have a water system, so it's not tap water. 1 cup. I'm gonna add a 1/3 cup of oil. Boom, like so. I take that, pour that in there. It says 3 eggs. What I like to do is I like to mix up all my liquids first. You always want to crack your egg on a flat surface because, however, if you crack an egg on the side or on the side of a cup like that, what it does, it forces the bacteria from the outside of the shell inside. And that could be one way that you can also get sick. But you want to avoid that. Always crack your egg on a flat surface. Remember, you gotta say your alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, once you wash your hands with me. So, I'm gonna use a fork. I'm very old-fashioned. I'm just gonna beat it. Beat it. Beat it. Everybody do beat it. Ooh, yes. Boom. Get this little piece of foil to stick this on. Now I'm gonna add the cake mix. All at once. What you do is you just lean it at the side. That's how I beat it. Scrape it off the sides. I have red food coloring. I like to be a little extra, so I'm gonna add a couple red drops in there. They're gonna be like, ooh, that's a real red velvet cake. Oh, baby, let me tell you, see, that's Brittany's secret ingredient. She's just making it a little bit redder than normal. now, got my hand a little whisker since I got all the big part done. Because don't nobody got all day to be mixing in the kitchen trying to make a cake that only takes about 30 minutes to an hour. Depends on the person. Okay, you guys. Red velvet cake. Now, that was like the quickest part ever, honestly. Here is the handy dandy pressure cooker. Yeah, you can show. Nothing in there yet. This is an egg holder. This is what you use for the pressure cooker to make your eggs. You sit that in there. This is regular tap water. You're not going to be drinking it or eating it or consuming it. Just put a little bit in there. Just 1 cup. Bada boom, bada bam. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this. You guys, a little secret. This is from my rice cooker. Basically, I just took the pan out the rice cooker and I'm going to use it for my 6-quart pressure cooker. Spread, you got to get it nice and oiled so it don't stick. You guys will never believe the technique that I'm going to show you to prevent all that extra moisture. Let's mix it up a little bit. A little swirly look. Excuse me, y'all. It's just hot in here because I got this gas oven on, and it's like 400 degrees. I'm sweating like I'm in somebody's laundromat. So, I set up the pressure cooker, the cake. This is the trick. You want to get paper towel, fold it. This is how it's going to minimize the amount of moisture that you have for your cake. You take that, already pre-cut some foil. Bada boom. You take that and you pinch that underneath, nice and taut. Some people let their cake cook for 30 minutes. I always set it for hours. Whenever I cook something in my pressure cooker, I just use an hour. And I know it's going to be completely done in an hour. So I am just making sure this thing is completely covered. Boom. It's going to be a little difficult to get it from out of there, but hey, it's a-okay. Boom. Turn on the pressure cooker. Pressure. Hit. Hit it once. It was on 30. There go an hour. Boom. Oh. Epic fail. You got to put the lid on. Boom. There you go. Now just let it sit and I will be back to show you the rest. Hello everyone again. Just gonna speed up the process. You know how video magic is. We're gonna pretend like we just got this out of the pressure cooker. What's already on it is while it was hot, I put frosting on it. I love to pre-frost while it's hot so it can soak in and to give you all that goodness, give you the layers of frosting. But this time, what I'm going to show you is my little recipe. You just take the cream cheese. I used it. That's how much I used for it already on it. I'm going to take this. I'm going to pop it in the microwave for 30 seconds. And make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. And remember, once my page hit 100 likes and 100 subscribers, I will be giving away a hand sanitizer basket with hand sanitizer, Kleenex, some lip treatment, some wet wipes. It's a couple things that you will really enjoy. Bada boom, look at it. Nice and melted. Bada boom, bada bam. I'm gonna take the fork, mix it up just a little bit. Look at all that goodness. And just pour right on there. Now that's what you call a red velvet cake. Once it cooled down and set, oh honey, you just need a slice of that right there with you some milk, and honey, your life is gonna be set. Forget any diet when you have this, because this right here, moist, and it's quick. You can make it on top of the stove instead of warming up the whole house with the oven. Very convenient. Anybody can make it. Any kid can make it as long as they have permission from adults. Thank you for stopping by my Creations by Brit. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment.